Best soldering stations. Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Weller WLC 140 watt soldering station. Power, 40 watts. Maximum temperature, up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Ratings, ease of use, 4.25/5, performance, 4.5/5, value, 4.75/5. If you don't need a digital temperature display, the Weller WLC 100 soldering iron kit is an affordable and reliable option that can handle most everyday soldering tasks. This budget-friendly unit delivers consistent results and has proven dependable over time. After several years of regular use, particularly for stained glass projects, it continues to perform smoothly and efficiently. The WLC 100 includes an SC3 tip, which works especially well for larger soldering applications. However, it may feel too wide for intricate tasks like printed circuit board (PCB) work that require greater precision. Fortunately, the tip is replaceable, allowing you to switch to a finer, narrower tip for detailed jobs. While the power cord isn't as flexible as those found on some of Weller's newer models, it's still manageable for most bench work. The included stand is solid and stable, and it conveniently holds a cleaning sponge to keep the tip in good condition during use. Because this model lacks a digital readout, setting the exact temperature requires a bit of trial and error. In testing, leaded solder melted smoothly at setting 2, around 600 degrees Fahrenheit, while lead-free solder flowed well at setting 3, approximately 650 degrees Fahrenheit. Higher settings, such as 4 and 5, provide additional heat for larger joints or tasks requiring faster heat transfer. Users should take time to become familiar with the heat settings before tackling delicate or sensitive soldering projects. Number 2. Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD soldering iron station. Power, 75 watts. Temperature range, soldering iron, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, hot air gun, 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Ratings, ease of use, 4.5/5, performance, 4.75/5, value, 4.75/5. Not every soldering job turns out perfectly the first time, which is why a rework station can be such a valuable tool. The Yihua soldering station is a complete, versatile setup designed for users who need more than just a basic iron. It's especially well suited for detailed work on printed circuit boards, PCBs, though it can also handle other small, precision soldering tasks with ease. Right out of the box, the Yihua impresses with its generous selection of accessories. Along with the soldering iron and 10 interchangeable tips, the kit includes a hot air rework gun, a voltmeter for testing electrical circuits, and a desoldering pump for removing melted solder. This wide range of tools makes it ideal for repairs, corrections, and complex electronic projects. In testing, the station proved its accuracy and reliability. Leaded solder flowed smoothly at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, while lead-free solder melted effectively at 650 degrees Fahrenheit, suggesting the digital temperature display is dependable. The hot air gun efficiently liquefied solder for removal, though a more focused nozzle would help reduce the risk of affecting nearby components during delicate repairs. The flexible cord enhances comfort during extended use, and the sturdy iron stand keeps the workspace organized. A roll of lead-free solder is even included to help users get started right away. While casual hobbyists may find it more than they need, electronics technicians and serious DIYers will appreciate this powerful all-in-one solution. Number 3. Smith Air/Acet Kit. Power, not applicable. Maximum temperature, up to 4,770 degrees Fahrenheit. Ratings, ease of use, 4.75/5, performance, 4.5/5, value, 4.5/5. Turn up the heat with the Smith Air/Acetylene Silversmith soldering torch, a powerful tool capable of reaching temperatures as high as 4,770 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the tip used. The kit includes a number 00 tip, which is extremely fine and ideal for detailed metalwork. However, this torch produces far more heat than is suitable for printed circuit boards, PCBs. Instead, it's specifically designed for working with metals such as copper, silver, and gold. The torch requires a separate acetylene tank, which is not included and must be purchased separately from a welding supply retailer. The setup features a flexible hose that connects the tank to the torch handle, along with pressure gauges to control acetylene flow. A manual striker is included to ignite the flame. As acetylene passes through the system, the torch automatically mixes it with oxygen at the proper ratio. Users simply adjust a brass regulator knob to set the desired pressure, with the manufacturer recommending 12 to 14 psi for optimal performance. For testing, silver solder was used instead of standard leaded or lead-free solder. Since silver solder melts at approximately 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, a larger number 03 tip was attached for better heat coverage. Flame intensity can be adjusted from a soft, quiet burn to a stronger, more audible flame. After applying flux and positioning the solder, the seams filled smoothly within seconds. This torch is an excellent choice for jewelry makers and can also handle light-duty copper pipe soldering in workshop environments. Always remember to shut off the gas supply at the tank after use for safety. Number 4. X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC 75W Soldering Iron Station. Power, 75 watts. Temperature range, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The X-Tronic 3060 Pro ST ACC contact soldering station delivers strong performance and thoughtful features that make soldering tasks smoother and more efficient. With 75 watts of power, the iron heats up quickly, reaching temperatures between 392 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit in about 30 seconds. The clear digital display allows users to monitor and adjust the temperature precisely, removing much of the guesswork often associated with analog units. One of the standout features of this station is its built-in helping hands. These adjustable clamps securely hold your workpiece in place, freeing up both hands to control the solder and the iron. This proves especially useful when working on projects that require precise alignment of small metal parts or delicate components. Instead of struggling to stabilize materials, you can focus fully on accuracy and clean solder joints. The station also includes a sturdy iron holder along with a designated space for a cleaning sponge and a tip cleaning accessory, though the cleaner itself is sold separately. Keeping the tip clean is essential for maintaining consistent heat transfer and achieving smooth solder flow, so having an organized setup makes routine maintenance easier. Overall, this soldering station combines fast heat-up times, reliable temperature control, and practical accessories into one well-designed unit. It's a solid option for hobbyists, electronics enthusiasts, and anyone looking to complete soldering projects with greater control and convenience. Number 5. Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. Power, 75 watts. Temperature range, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. For DIY enthusiasts who primarily use lead-free solder, the Yihua 939D Plus soldering station is a dependable and practical option. This digital contact soldering station delivers 75 watts of power, allowing the iron to heat up quickly and reach temperatures between 392 degrees Fahrenheit and 896 degrees Fahrenheit. That range is more than sufficient for melting and working with lead-free solder, which typically requires higher heat than traditional leaded alternatives. To help users get started right away, Yihua even includes a roll of lead-free solder in the package. The 939D Plus comes equipped with 3 interchangeable tips, giving users flexibility for different types of projects. Whether you're handling detailed circuit board work or slightly larger joints, you can select the tip that best suits the task. The replaceable design also ensures you can swap out worn tips over time, extending the life of the station. A soldering tip cleaner is included as well, which is especially important when working with lead-free solder to maintain proper heat transfer and achieve clean, reliable joints. This model is essentially a streamlined version of Yihua's more advanced rework station. While it offers similar heating performance, it does not include extras like a hot air rework gun or built-in voltmeter. For users who don't require those additional tools, the 939D Plus provides excellent performance and value in a simpler, more affordable package.